Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to connect Freshsales to Zapier? This guide will help you automate workflows by linking Freshsales with over 2,000 apps available on Zapier. Let's get started on integrating Freshsales with Zapier, guys. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. First thing first, guys, make sure that you have an account in Freshsales. So you simply have to go to your account on My Freshworks and you will be able to open your Freshsales account. As you can see, this is the platform. Go to the admin settings and click on apps integrations. From here, go to marketplace apps and click on it. In this area, you will be able to find every single app that can be connected with your Freshsales account. So we simply have to wait a couple of seconds and it will be loaded. So now we have all of these pages or applications. Let's search for Zapier. After that, we have here Zapier. Click on it. And here you will find an article, basically an overview about it. So let's read it real quick since it is short and quite easy to read. So make your own Zap to connect Freshsales with the other apps you use. So Zapier is a tool to connect two apps and make them work together to connect the apps you need to create a Zap. Combination of an input and the desired output as a result of the input. The trigger is the input of the Zap which initiates any process, and the action is the result or the output that takes place because of the input. So to actually install it, we need to visit the site. So let's visit the site of Zapier, and here we go. Now let me just go ahead to zapier.com. This is the homepage after you connect your account. It's gonna be looking something like that. So what you should do, go ahead to apps, and from apps, go ahead and search for Freshsales. From here, guys, go ahead and click on Freshsales Classic, and you will be taken to this page. You need to first get your API key. So here you can find the API key under top right corner, user icon, settings, API settings, your API key. So let's go here. As they said here, let me just open it for us. So API key, settings, API settings, and go settings. Okay, let's go with here API. Let's go here. Let's copy this. Let me just open it. And the subdomain is your registered domain name at freshsales.io. I think it is this one. CRM API key details for chats. I think this one is the one that we are looking for. So let's copy it and let's put it there. myfreshwork.io. I think it's gonna be this one. So click there, here, click on yes, continue to Freshsales Classic, and normally you would be able to connect your account. It's just pretty simple as that. So once you have done that, what you should do next is to go ahead and basically create. So you should click here to create, click on Zaps, and basically here you will be on this platform. This platform can help you to create automations with Freshsales and connect it with any other application. Yep, you can connect it with 2,000 more applications. Let's say something random. You can, let's say for example, connecting Freshsales with Facebook. I mean, what kind of automation is this? Well, yeah, you can do it. Well, let's say for example, Freshsales can connect to WordPress. Yep, it is something that could happen. Freshsales with, I don't know, with YouTube, I guess, something that could happen. Yeah, you could literally have here multiple applications. So there's two ways of adding this automation. The first way is basically by writing the prompt that you want or the text that you want, and the AI will try to generate the input and the output of it, so the trigger and the actions. But in case you have already what's in mind and you already know what you want to do, you simply have to click on trigger or action. So let's do that real quick. Click here, and this is a page of basically full of application. Simply click here and search for Freshsales Classic. There we go. As you can see, it has been added successfully. Here on the right we have events. So what kind of trigger should we be looking for? Let's say for example there will be a new contact. Click on continue, and let's go back. Here the action. So here you could search for 7,000 apps and tools. So here are some of them, but now we need to search for a random application. So let's search for example for YouTube. Here we go. Let's add for example here ChatGPT. Alright, so here, this is what I think this is like a random automation that I'm gonna do. Whenever there is a new contact in Freshsales, create an image and basically a video description and a title in ChatGPT. Once this is done, upload it in YouTube as basically 3-second video. For example, this is very random, but yes, you can do it. So here, let's choose the events, update video thumbnail, upload video, API request. So these are the two things that you have: either upload or update video thumbnail in case you had any thumbnails. Then yeah, you can do that, or you can upload a whole new video. Let's do upload a new video. You have to connect to your YouTube channel, so you have to sign in, and basically you have to go choose your account, go through a couple of things, and then you'll be able to do that. After that, you will be some actions, and then of course there will be some verification, and you have to give the API key. But this is not what we are concerned about. What we are concerned about is how we can use Freshsales, and yeah, you can use it that way. You can create multiple zaps, multiple triggers, and multiple actions that can be connected to your Freshsales account that could really make amazing things happen. That's another thing to have to actually have in mind is pretty much when you create your account, you will have only 100 tasks. 100 tasks is basically, for example, here, let's say there is a new contact created, and then a video was uploaded. This is one task. Let's say you have 200 people monthly coming to your website, signing in and doing stuff. That means the first 100 are the only one that's gonna be like making your videos uploaded in YouTube. So there will be only 100 video uploaded in YouTube. The rest of the 100 that will not be counted, since you only have a limit of 100 tasks. If you want to upgrade and update that, you simply have to manage your plan, go back to your account billing and usage, and change the plan. Make sure to choose one of these plans. So as you can see here, you can find free, professional, and team. You can have here multiple tasks. As you can see, you can make them up to 2 million, and here you can make it up to, I think one of them, yeah, this one is a custom one, so you can literally make it at 10 million unlimited, depending on what you want exactly, and they're gonna give you the best pricing for it. Just put in mind that it's very expensive. Like 2 million task is already for around $4,000 a month, so you might need a very big bag of money so you can have a limited one. I think it could be like 20k per month for a limited amount of zaps, so this is very expensive to note. And yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. This is how you can connect your Freshsales account with Zapier. It's pretty easy, nothing complicated about it that much. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.